This is from the circuit panel, and that's your 240 volts. Comes through here. Traditionally, you have fuses, so this is called a non-fused because it's just a metal piece. So like there's no safety built into there. So if there's an over amp condition, it hits the circuit panel where the breaker will trip. So usually it's good to have like fuses on here. Now, if you have this non-fused situation, then it's good to have like a circuit breaker built into the heater package. The heater package is this. That's your electric resistance heater.
Yeah.
That heater package here, since it has an N in there at the last 3 digits, N10, that's a signifying that there's no fuse built into it. There's no fuses or circuit breaker. So the one we like to do is the circuit breaker, because the circuit breaker fits here nicely so that when the service technician comes here, they can toggle it on and off. Now, what we'll do is we'll come here to put that right heater package for you.
Okay.
And at the same time, once we restore that, I'll have Nelson check the circuit panel to make sure that the circuit breaker itself doesn't have. Sometimes the circuit breakers, they built resistance, and then if that resistance builds up sufficiently so, it starts to overheat. When it overheats, it then opens and triggers.
Okay.
So we'll do that, and we'll prioritize this and try to get this done for you tomorrow.
Okay,
I'll
great.
circle back with the office and send them this video, and hopefully we don't have this situation happen again.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks for coming out tonight on such short notice.
No worries. What I'm going to do real quick is just check to see if I have any voltage drop across this to make sure that it's not...
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. So that should not be happening. I think it's over amping, and that's why I could see a little bit slight discoloration on there. Let's see here. That's why I like to get these. They're rated for voltage. You see that?
Yeah.
See that spark? Yeah, we're gonna have to replace this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that sparking should not occur. I'm glad I caught that on video. So let me check the voltage drop across there. Okay, so the voltage drop you should have in theory 0 because it's just supposed to be a seamless transfer of the voltage. If it has resistance, you have temperature increase. Since there's a loss. So they make this nice and handy like this. So we got 0 there, 0 there, and then to ground, 122, 122, 122, 122. So there's no voltage drop. That's good. What I think is the situation is I've seen these things go bad over time. So the little metal can get misconstrued and it's not fitting seamless like a hand in a glove.
Yeah.
And any little wiggle room creates resistance and that heats up. So it shouldn't spark like that.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, we're gonna need to replace this thing here.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and take note of that, and then we should be good to go.
Okay, great.
Yeah. But I came out here.